commercial art, commercialization, or CD. And this is what gives you the reference. And it has to do with diagonal and horizontal lines. Diagonal and horizontal lines are used primarily on a two-dimensional surface to illustrate the three-dimensional optical illusion that we perceive as three-dimensional art in a two-dimensional surface or canvas. There's a lot of diagonal lines. That's from a geometric standpoint. That's like the geometric architecture of art formation. There's these diagonal lines and these, it's fascinating. You have these, because we have up, down, left, right, front, back on the three-dimensional plane. But on a two-dimensional surface, we don't have up, down. We have front, back, left, right. So that up, down is replaced with diagonal lines, perpendicular angles. Everything is sort of slant. It's a fascinating. You have shades in art now, shades and light and color, different shades of darkness. Like how water is illustrated through art is a fascinating phenomenon, because water is a mixture of light and darkness. And how water emerges in art on a two-dimensional surface is when a certain